As flyers return to the skies in 2021, airlines are using big incentives to attract leisure flyers into business seats as corporate travel remains mostly sidelines. Despite receiving over $50 billion in federal aid, airlines are once again initially overvaluing empty seats only to slash fares later. Legacy airlines like American, Delta, and United display excessive fares as they try inducing flyers into anytime awards. As usual, not enough flyers take the bait, leading to massive fare cuts. Since 2010, capturing premium cabin buying events has been the best way to fly business class for less, usually cheaper than coach. Premier members have already secured amazing deals in 2021, including $500 to Paris and Punta Cana for just $99, both in business and for travel through 2022. Wow. With corporate travel on hold, opportunities to fly business class cheaper than coach are expected to be repeat and be rampant for 2021 and into 2022. Don't even think about buying your next airline ticket without Passport Premier. Now, through its partnership with the father of hidden city tickets, Passport Premier offers more fare savings opportunities than ever before. To achieve maximum savings on your next trip, visit www.passportpremier.com to subscribe.